How to make apps with Thunkable. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make apps with Thunkable. So let's get started. First head over to thunkable.com and click on the login button. This will take you to the sign up page where you can register using your email address. Once you've signed up, you'll be prompted to choose how you intend to use the platform, whether it's for personal use, teaching, or any other purpose. Just select the option that best fits your needs and click next. You'll then be asked to pick a role that best describes you. For this example, I'm selecting developer, but feel free to choose the one that's most accurate for you. After that, you'll be asked about your experience level, whether you're a beginner or have technical experience. Choose what applies, then click submit to proceed. Once your account is set up, you'll be taken to your Tankable dashboard. This is where you'll start building your first app. You'll see a blank screen to begin with, which you can customize by adding multiple pages or screens as needed. On the left side of the editor, you'll find the tools to add various elements to your app. For example, if you want to insert an image at the top of your screen, just drag and drop the image component onto the canvas. After placing it, click the image box and go to the right-hand settings panel. Under Picture Source, click Upload Files and select an image from your computer. I'll just upload a random image for this example. Next, you might want to add a button below the image. Just drag the button element from the left panel and place it underneath. You can then continue building out your interface by adding text, media, or other components. Once you place the button, it's time to define what happens when someone taps it. Scroll to the bottom right corner and click Add Blocks, or you can use the button at the top right. Here, you'll be able to assign an action to that button. For instance, if you wanted to play a sound, click on Sound, then choose Play and upload an audio file of your choice. There are a variety of built-in actions you can assign to your buttons, such as navigating to a new screen, sharing content, or even triggering speech. Let's say you want the app to say something when the button is pressed. Select speech, then drag the say block into place, and you can even change the language or voice settings. You can continue adding functionality whether you want to build a simple tool or a more advanced app with multiple features. The builder is flexible and beginner friendly, making it great for a wide range of use cases. When you're ready to share your app with others, click on Share in the top right corner, then select Generate Link. You can send this link to anyone so they can view or use your app. If you'd like to unlock more advanced tools, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, select Membership, and explore the available paid plans for additional features and capabilities. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.